Hi guys, welcome to ITPK. In today's quick tutorial, we will see some simple steps to increase internet speed on your computer or a laptop. Either you are using Windows 7, Windows 10 or Windows 11, you can follow the same steps to increase your internet speed. So in today's example, I will use Windows 11 to show you all of these settings. The first setting we're gonna see here is let's go to Control panel, type control panel in your search bar and go to control panel. Let's maximize this. In the control panel, please go to network and sharing center. In network and sharing center, please go to change adapter setting. Once you are in change adapter setting, please find the network adapter you are already using and right click on it and go to properties. In the properties, please click on IPv4 and then click on configure. Again, click yes. Now here, let's go to advanced and in advanced, we want to go to power saving for our Ethernet card and we want to set it to disable. By disabling this setting, we make sure that our network card will be enabled all of the time and our internet speed will be stable. Let's go ahead and click on OK. You can also go to this setting quickly by going to device manager here. Let me show you this option as well. Network adapter, right click on the network card, go to properties and again go to advanced. In advanced, you will find power setting that I have already disabled. So now let me show you the next setting that will not only make your internet stable but also increases your internet speed. So to go to there, type here run. Once you have typed run, type here ncpa.cpl in the run menu and click on OK. This will again take you to your network adapters. Now right click on the network adapters you are using, go to properties, again go to Internet Protocol version 4 and then we want to go to properties again. So in this setting, go to use the following DNS server and put 8.8.8.8. In the alternate DNS server, please put 8.84.4. This is the Google DNS. Click on validate setting upon exit and click on OK and then click on close. Now, the next setting we want to go to is go to your start menu again in the search bar. Please type gpedit.msc and we want to go to here gpedit.msc. There are some of the default settings in Windows operating system that doesn't allow to use the full speed internet. Let's say your internet provider are mentioning that they are providing you 100 megabyte speed, but you're still getting only 50 or 60 megabyte of internet speed. That could be due to this specific setting that we're gonna change right now. So once you are in the group policy under local computer policy and computer configuration, please expand administrative templates. Once you have expanded administrative templates, click on the network. Once you have selected the network, here you have option to select QoS packet scheduler. Let's open this. Here we want to change the setting limit reservable bandwidth. Let's double click on this and here we want to go to enable it. Here the default value is 80%. We want it to 0% and we want to use full internet bandwidth without any limit. You could read all these help documents while enabling this setting. So I've selected enable and then 0 and I'm ready to click apply and then OK. Please note that as this is computer configuration related settings and this needs restart your computer once. So that's all for today. After changing all these settings, the internet speed on your Windows 11 computer or Windows 10 computer will be going to double. So if you have any question, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe ITPK. Take care. Bye.